Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by stopping Excel before it reinterprets your numbers. Copy the original cells, then paste using paste special text so values arrive as text rather than auto-formatted dates. Once done, you prevent conversion at the moment of entry. That's crucial because Excel decides formatting as data lands. Make sure to use data text to columns with delimited and set column data format to text if you need to split fields. This way, Excel stores digits, not dates. Next, use Get and Transform to control type detection. From Data, choose Get Data and import your CSV or TXT file. In the preview, explicitly set the problematic columns to text before loading. Once done, Power Query will keep those entries as raw text and will not force date conversion while refreshing. Make sure to apply and close, then load the table back to the worksheet. This method is reliable for recurring imports because the type settings persist. Finally, convert only when you want numeric results. If you must turn text into numbers, use value or paste special multiply by 1 on a helper column after confirming formats. If cells were already converted to dates, re-import with text type or restore from the original file and repeat paste as text. Troubleshooting. If Excel insists on converting on paste, pre-format the destination column as text, then paste. That forces Excel to keep the original digit string.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.